Okay, boys and girls, in this video, we're going to talk about how you're going to be designing your glass plate that is inspired by the very famous glass artist Dale Chihuly. On your table, I'm going to give you guys folders that have photo examples of some of Chihuly's works that ours are going to be inspired by. So you can feel free to use these as a guide for how you might like the pattern on your plate to end up looking like, or not. You know, you do not have to use these as a specific guide. I kind of veered off path a little bit with my examples that I've made so far. So this is one that I have drawn on, but I have yet to actually melt and turn it into that more organic form. And then here's another one. So I want you guys to take some time and come up with a design, but I want it to be quite intricate like these ones are. I really want to see you guys adding layers of color, a number of different colors, and really filling the space on your plate so that not only the center is designed, but also like the entire edge is designed. It doesn't have to be the same design the whole way throughout. Maybe you do something different here, something different out here. The darker the colors that you use, the more it is going to stand out. And it's really helpful on these tables to have a white piece of paper underneath. So I'll make sure I give those to you guys. The white piece of paper is not to draw on though. I'd like to reuse those with other students, so please don't draw on it. Look how hard it is to see those designs without the white paper. So you really want to use that, on these tables that we have in the art room, the black top, it's really hard to see these beautiful designs. So you want to put that white piece of paper under there. Try out some different Sharpie markers. You might try a color that looks really cool before you color it on, but then when you color it, you can't barely see it. So we want to use colors that are really more intense, that are going to stand out to create your pattern. When you guys are all done with that, we will go over to one of the science labs and we'll talk about melting the plastic plates to take them from that form into a more organic form. So both of these, I've used a heating element to change the form of them. So you can see if you end up using the heat a little bit too high in some spots, you might accidentally put like a hole inside of the plate. So we want to try to avoid that, but we want to change the shape a little bit. So I'll do another demonstration of how we're going to do that. So stay tuned.